it's Lauren from Fine & Country and welcome to High Bullen Farm. Positioned on the edge of the popular North Devon village of North Molton, this stunning 5-bedroom home offers 11 acres, stables, an arena and so much more. So come on in and take a look. Now what a welcome into this exquisite home. As you can see, we've got large living spaces. We've got 4/5 bedrooms, a cinema room, multiple reception rooms, and the most outstanding views out those bifold doors behind me here. As you can see, this incredible home has been thoughtfully designed with equestrian living in mind, with beautiful stables and direct access up to the land and also over to the arena. Now, as you can see, this incredible home has so much to offer. And if that wasn't enough, you are within walking distance of the local village and its amenities, and just a short distance from the Exmoor National Park. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about this home, please do give us a call on the number below. We would love to show you around.